क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि पैसे बिना मेहनत के भी कमाए जा सकते हैं? ये एक सपने जैसा लगता है, लेकिन यह सच है। आज हम बात करेंगे पैसिव इनकम के बारे में, जो आपको बिना रोजाना काम किए भी पैसा कमाने का मौका देती है। पैसिव इनकम यानी वो आमदनी जो आपको बिना एक्टिव काम किए मिलती है। ये एक ऐसे सपने की तरह है जो सच हो सकता है। आप ही सोच रहे होंगे, ये कैसे मुमकिन है? चलिए इस राज को समझते हैं। पैसिव इनकम का मतलब है कि आप पैसा कमा सकते हैं जब आप सो रहे हैं या जब आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ मेज कर रहे हैं। यह आपके लिए काम करता है, चाहे आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो। सोचिए, आप एक सुंदर बीच पर हैं या फिर एक शानदार वेकेशन पर, और तब भी आपका पैसा बढ़ता जा रहा है। यह है पैसिव इनकम का जादू। आप अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं और आपका पैसा आपके लिए काम कर रहा है। यह जादू तभी मुमकिन है जब आप समझदारी से इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। इन्वेस्टिंग यानी पैसा लगाना एक ऐसी कला है जो आपको फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम दे सकती है। आपको बस सही जगह पर पैसा लगाना है और फिर देखना है कैसे आपका पैसा बढ़ता है। समझदारी से इन्वेस्ट करके आप एक ऐसा सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बना सकते हैं जो आपके फ्यूचर को सिक्योर करे। आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आपके लिए कम करते हैं और आपको फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी देते हैं। यह एक ऐसे पेड़ की तरह है जो आपको हमेशा फल देता रहेगा। तो आज ही इन्वेस्ट करिए और अपना फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर सिक्योर करिए। Imagine owning a small piece of a large, successful company. Think about companies like Reliance or Tata, giants in their industries. When you buy stocks, you're essentially purchasing a small ownership stake in these companies. This means you become a shareholder, a part owner of the company. As the company grows and earns profits, you benefit too. These profits are often distributed to shareholders in the form of dividends. Think of investing in stocks like planting a seed in fertile soil. Over time, with the right conditions, that seed will grow into a tree that bears fruit. Similarly, investing in stocks requires patience and a long-term perspective. It's important to stay informed about the companies you invest in and the overall market conditions. Diversifying your investments across different sectors can help manage risk and increase potential returns. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, growing over time and helping you achieve your financial goals. Whether it's for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education, investing in stocks can be a powerful tool to help you reach your dreams. Just like a tree that bears fruit, your investments can yield significant returns if nurtured properly. So start investing today and let your money work for you, paving the way for a secure and prosperous future. You can lend money to the government and earn regular interest payments. This is called investing in bonds. Bonds are like giving a loan to the government or a company. In return, they promise to pay you regular interest and return your principal amount when the bond matures. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, making them a good option for those who prefer a more stable investment. Investing in property is a popular way to earn passive income. You can buy a property and rent it out to tenants. The rent you receive becomes your passive income. Additionally, property values generally appreciate over time. This means you can potentially sell your property for a higher price than you bought it for, earning a profit. However, real estate requires a significant amount of capital to get started. Don't know much about individual stocks or bonds? No problem. Mutual funds are here to help. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This diversification helps to reduce risk and provides an opportunity for even small investors to participate in the market. Starting your investment journey is easier than you think. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, anyone can become a successful investor. The key is to start with a clear plan and take it step by step. Let's break it down into manageable steps so you can begin your journey with confidence. Here are a few simple steps. First, set a budget. This is the foundation of your financial planning. By setting a budget, you can understand your income and expenses and identify how much you can allocate towards investments. Start by listing all your sources of income and then jot down your monthly expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health. Decide how much money you can comfortably invest each month. It's important to be realistic and not overcommit. Consider your essential expenses and any emergency funds you might need. Once you have a clear idea, set aside a specific amount for investments. This disciplined approach will help you stay consistent and avoid financial stress. Next, open a DMAT account. This is a crucial step as it allows you to hold your investments in an electronic format. A DMAT account is like a bank account for your investments, where you can store shares, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. You can open a DMAT account with any registered depository participant, such as a bank or a brokerage firm. This is like a bank account for your investments. Then research and choose. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options. Read books, attend seminars, or consult with a financial advisor. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Look into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment vehicles to understand their risks and returns. Explore different investment options and choose what suits your risk appetite and financial goals. And remember, start small. It's okay to begin with a modest amount. The important thing is to get started and learn as you go. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment amounts. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even small investments can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compounding. The key is consistency and patience. Celebrate your small wins and stay motivated. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it over time. As you see your investments grow, you'll gain more confidence and be encouraged to invest more. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today and embark on your investment journey with confidence. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quickly. It takes time, patience, and discipline to see your investments grow. Don't panic when the market fluctuates. Ups and downs are a natural part of the investing journey. Stay focused on your long-term goals. The world of finance is constantly changing. Stay updated on market trends, new investment opportunities, and economic developments. Read financial news, follow reputable financial advisors, and continuously educate yourself about investing. Investing might seem complicated at first, but with the right knowledge and guidance, anyone can do it. Start small, be patient, and stay informed. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step towards building your passive income streams and securing your financial future.